How to make smooth movement in Scratch, the easy way. The first thing we will want to do is make two variables. Name them xvel and yvel. Vel stands for velocity, and velocity is a special word for speed. Now bring out a change xby and a change yby block. Now put an xvel block inside of the change xby block, and put a yvel block inside of the change yby block. What this does is pairs our position on the screen to our variables. Variables are used for storing data, so by using our x and yvel variables, we can keep track of our player's speed. Bring out two if conditions, two press blocks, and two change xby blocks, and set them up as shown on screen. Let's go through how this works. The if conditions check if keys are pressed, and if they are, our variable xvel changes accordingly. Then, our variables are used to control our player's speed. Oh yeah, wrap a forever loop over everything we've made so far, so we are constantly running our game. And also, add a green flag click block and a set x and set yvel block to the start of our scripts. Now click the green flag and press the left and right arrow keys. As you can see, our player moves, but it keeps sliding everywhere. To fix this, set xvel to xvel multiplied by 0.8. If you multiply any number by a decimal, our number will always get smaller. So with this script, whenever our player moves, we slow down. Now, let's add Y movement. Y movement is exactly the same as X movement, so I won't explain it. Just duplicate all of our X movement scripts and change everything to be for Y. You can check your code with what I made to confirm you did everything correctly. Now click the green flag and you have smooth movement. Oh yeah, I think that you'll like this video that's shown on screen right now, so if you're interested, check it out.